Orofo me mo akwaba ka hu say latest and hot news era me de bravo anuti se unya subscribe dia bomori ase obe subscribe na wala like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share na ofofro so enye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo gara me mo hano afi dentemara yebura eye ensemo abeto yepno so yeda so gina ye former finance minister ye Ken Ofori Atta akachi na nsembere ana APP mu eye kiti Kevitela so edene nsema betum eye chia eye ICE eye immigration and custom enforcement wana china asisi owo detention center akoye nsembere na we na ye Kevitela de nsema tudwa wo kyerese ye Ken Ofori Atta abro dwade free Ghana ha ko share ye US abrochimemo ne yire yumedia na wani di wo ho nyina Kevitela babonti ne nyina aba betudwa ama wada nsembere edi ententemara yeko eye keti eye Kevitela yeko na kachina yekuti eye ensemo eye Kevitela editu jafa eye Ken Ofori Atta chia eye eyes for achero inti ni nsemo no
Ofori Atta ena yatse no ewo America Ken Ofori Atta ende yesori ya hwe Ofori Atta nanim na hwe ne lawyer nim Ofori Atta lawyer die Ofori Atta na wo for war Uwo Ofori Atta lawyer, or the Ofori Atta pe, or do say achieved the same most uncle for you. What I shake Ofori Atta and lawyer near Frank Davis. Open door to China, now you could see. Aquaway. Okwa, and sign a crano or the bobo no or you fro. They sit on sign a crano or posa no you fro. Aquaway. George, diplomat. A year Tosca. Embassy 55 and a Mumma Medino. Way. Onum jot China we kusie hwe Ofori Atta ni wo fomo na hwe the lawyer nanim mesi webo oh rade jagopo client is the lawyer I client no or the lawyer no it wait me use client in the passport lawyer no kura betu the passport am client no rade jagopo mesi o hwe lawyer nanim a na o hwe client nanim a say client in the person using the lawyer the passport to bet me use akron for gua I go we kind of correct as a lawyer for I and you know every for gua now you see a money box no you see US eyes of akwachi money box na NPP for Bawumia money box no on any Ofori Atta omu wi no no to na o se gum Ofori Atta ya chi money box no America na money box no adenti ya chi no adekudenti ya chi money box ayo Ofori Atta no say ya see money box ba krom ha no ayo Ofori Atta sika je so na wi na egu na dakam money box no Ofori Atta's ICE detention not related to extradition case yenyina yenim Ken Ofori Atta ya chi no America ha and the America for say o ma chi na to fiase a ya hwehwe ni nsem mu no enka eye OSP extradition near Attorney General any America for edi ho nkomo no enka ho sa ekire we ya ye no e ya America wa betena ne nkratasem enye eno ano no otete krom ha ne nkrata anye osori a otwen ebo 630 na okoto pizza lord abehye dem di why say kura e gawe dela bi kire Ken Ofori Atta bete krom ha sa na yire di nkan wo Ghana ha ena ne ba no so di nkan wo Ghana na yire wo Ghana o a na yire di nkan me sure say waba because odwin so obewu e ice for the cells wo de na o ye ne say osoro no the school bag abodechi no the headphones a share so no o shekambu na onenanam Pennsylvania Avenue e this year na wa na ho say o America small boy na wa so a baggy pants bi sa na o jacket atoso okwa na okoto pizza na wato eye de eye pancake eye already made one bi na wato frozen chicken na wato frozen pizza na wato frozen na wa pack egu backpack oya criminal iti besides get me the Ofori Atta picture the one you try that on street no it was around opportunity otchere na about 6:30 emu yesum kakra da obeso kwa shopping onim se ne nkrata no ensi kwanso onim say the passport and the visa de wu na oni eyes for din 10 enti do ya say otwan 6:30 emu yesum kakra no na o the backpack abodechi na wa shada ahye jeans to say the American boy. When you know, I now or the a chakata the team to say the old team or bois. No the headphones, no the shana song. Now or the backpack about the cheap, no a jacket. Now I say on Nante saw a guy. Ora a Delia, and I say Ora a 7-Eleven. No, I thought a chicken na the phone tantano. Ha, no, you for no the tissue at the home. Now, why you cook a diet cook be you can or you're homeless. Homeless is life, no, the America, or Bezomba who's for the passport, the Nevise woo. 80 Ingrata 70 Sikedi Mapa, Wada Katedi. There you go. 7-Eleven or shopping. Abu furu. So says it. Besides, if you describe it, I feel the best at NPP for us about start here. Thank you, Mr. S. Mr. S, thank you for the picture. Picture the day. Edited her. I say for no more shadow. Picture the day. 80. You know this year, I don't know. Abu furu. You said this year, Bantama. Introduce. Or this year Chebi. Bibi cameras in here Juma. No news here. I now you said this year Chebi. Onye. It do I understand? Or Sorano Patutu Tua. I mean, Ken. Wait, Betuti. Oh, Onye. Oh, no, the headphones are shana. So none of the address is a teacher. I say, Madam me. I saw no Juma or a public servant to America. Nanko phobia anyway. Oh, Mammy here also Shakambu. None of the Shakambu. Ha. Do you know? Were you white not to actually grant anti? Were you engine not to go? Again, I wonder. In Grata 70, were you engine not to go? What was a kabu? Is it or him or him was also? I'm going to take a crash or to be here. I or him. I'm ready. In Grata 70, Bogey, you white not to actually, and Wakoto. Oko TJ Maxx and wakoto jeans khaki. Oko TJ Maxx no wakoto khaki black one on na yire. On be so be omo say na yire teacher and ono so ye guy bia I say oya ban software bi omo nam DC omo hi adwene. Ena washa headphones. Ena wakoto why said na what the backpack abodechi. Nyoma nam koto the 7-Eleven egumu no. Ai kwasiafo omo to ota to mo omo kodi. Ntom to ko shed dem 2 weeks no mu pie ni me bi omo. Who says when your kidney in failure, then we surgery or boy. No, this say this year chebi abu fro this year huno and eyes of one to camera ni boy juma and in the camera na pick this year na truck Ken Ofori Atta Ghana chebi criminal money box is wanted but they didn't camera no camera no juma fucking and camera didn't capture money box from Ghana criminal alert 1 pick no matter to war oman kashi no more teno into ogoshemo I say kura okori mono ne ori mono no ari into be frozen pizza frozen salad frozen there okwado ye free bag no shema kuro no edi into ice for no more channel kwase ampanyi odin say ho echebi wa bo frozen na into say who steady no uno this obaga say nyon na yire so osori a na watwe pony ai na wa space bi na so asje 3 quarters omoto mpobori nya TJ Maxx the same sneakers ai eyi form bi dem the same sneakers bi refi ai omotasha pa omuyere to 27.99 omotoye because ya form bienu omowi am betin America than homeless in Grata 70 angel no watogu akose yi Jack Chan and ordinam inti ice for no mo hwe no oni krata ne yire no so sa ono oyeyi kakra oyo free kakra inti Ghana and oy half caste I into an America omdwen so ofri eyade Yugoslavia say America no ahwede mu fo no omte say ne yire onye broni o ne yire no oyo free but don't say Ghana ne ya tum ya te say eyepo ya ndo to ho inti obia Ghana obi se po ya ndo hu na se kura inti odi ne gina maami we nchan a bagin se maami we broni onye broni oyo free inti do ye ne say on America no ne eyade one Ofori Atta nam tom just Ofori Atta is student I okọ night classes Saturday on shopping 738 hon baby 711 bi Pennsylvania Avenue ho no mko ena omko inti da be no mko enra chi ma me ne ka chen se okọ Ghana ba na setena fie wakoye shopping bem ya gi frozen chicken, frozen pizza, frozen salad, frozen rice, frozen coke. Just say, Mr. Frozen, ya gi guda be aduane wo ho kwa hin. Ana Ken say boss no, okope eye frozen turkey. Okope frozen turkey ato. Ana boga tisi manwumre wa pocket we miamia school boy. Ati we no mo twafa no. Hello sir, how are you doing? Yes, I was oh, I'm good. Where you going? Oh, I went for classes. I said, says that I was a chair. In Dominion Sakura, and we shave fine. And or a blanco, alpha for fun, a kiwi, shoe polish, no, or the shoe polish be alpha for about getting black, no, and we shavy. Into a rough soldier, eyes for some about Damkakra. Wait. Hello, sir, how are you doing? I said, I'm good. How are you doing? Good. Where you going? I went for classes. I said, I'm doing remedial. I'm doing remedials. And I'm saying, remedials? For what? I can't dance. We're sure. Now, I'm going to tell you my bottom. Yeah, not my jet to my bottom. Me, I'm a bottom. It's say, or some could be some papa say problem you Hana because me Bobby be problem you and can't tell Bobby my bottom. Me, I got some bottom. My bottom. Me, who she I said I make a serious over that. Wait. So say, where you going? So just went to classes. I went to classes. Say classes for the day. So remedials. Say remedials. What's remedials? Oh, accountancy. But I said, but I was a small boy. Said, can you please take off a hat for identification? He said, what? He said, 2 years will be free. Can take off a hat for identification. Take off your hat at that time. Say ice for so. The ice for the and say, I'm off a crobia nibi no ice. Yo, because I'm watching of 1%. I'm tid your mocano. Also, wow, China was about Hopeson also Italian there. It's Brody no South America, Brody. Can't have a half education. As can you take off your hat for that? Ghana need big ice for no. Or say, ja, yes, 2 Chinese show him. It's better quitting or can ice for no. Into Brazil, you know, somebody can take off a hat for education. I say, what are you saying? And that, Mr. Betakwatine and the bufu, so can ice for no. And the bufu, no. No, he, one man, Papa did EPU, our Ghana, with that. Into Nyala say for that, I say, ja, yes, 2 Chinese show him. Tell her let's go against it. I take a hellish clarification. And I say, ja, ultimate 2 Chinese because I've been mapa. I bought Funu Yachano. A just 2 Chinese show him. To tell her hellish clarification. I take off your hat and let us see your application. Hey, bro, what's that deal? It's Yachano. I Yache, Muddy Box. Nina say, yes, then crater some Nendimu. And I'll try say, Obefa Kwan bi so Aman and Krata and Edimu and ice of Wachono. Ampo will be secretary Revi, make us my bottom. There's a meme called Bedinko as a menu in my bottom. The NPP, Ampo, as if we're true. NPP for almost always give you a but I say, you know, bottom. NPP. Yachino, and the Achibaga Yamuano, Yachinu Quia, and I had no adding, Edna question. Now, Metisenkophobia argument was joy news. And the argument did not make any sense. Guy, your friend say, Koku Kwat, your friend saying. Akwe Okaso be the president here or they are low accent to be by Gyamfi. Kofi Kranting, ain. Now Kofi Kranting, I don't know my fiancé. Now say, I say, oh, Kofi Kranting, my fiancé, be the TV so I saw or homeless shelter bills a day. Aye, Kofi Kranting, there they see. Oba no abopa no I five pass say, they say I saw a phone me. Ude utia presidential e ba ko pe wa form. Ya be se Kofi Kranting o se dey. Ubetua ba ko pe wa form. He guy be their friend Kofi Ghana o se Ghana o se dey. On your friend saying. Guy ba ko be oba a nice guy be. Ono so betua ba ko se e filing fee. Wa mem. Yeah. Enough about. Kofi Kranting. Now Kobi Tia joy news. My team we were discussing. And you know, Ken Ofori Atta, let me tell you what's happening. I think that Ken Ofori Atta hey, okay, you know better, and some of the Ken Ofori Atta, the hospital that he had the surgery, the surgery, they were supposed to try and extend his stay from say, hey, move on from Konwa. Hospital na immigration office. Hospital na Ken Ofori Atta koye surgery, immigration office. They don't have the right to extend Ken Ofori Atta's stay in Ghana, in America. And then kwasi misinformation of the radio so any TV so kaka. Yachi money box na mon kanche Ghana for say yachi money box. Ken Ofori Atta ebe surgery. Hospital no, they don't care about your passport and your status. So we're America, that's all person heart surgery. All that the hospital does is say they will tell you to come in for your review. They will tell you to come in for your observation. They will observe you. Omu wi anoma chiro say asemesi. Oh yara na and who carry $30,000. So insurance, maybe your insurance can take about 80% of it. But so when insurance now is out of pocket, it is $80,000. All that they do is wo yare no and the hiomo. Now yare bia and the recovery time. So koye surgery bia. Some of the surgeries no walk in surgery. You can go into the hospital today and come home today. Surgeries ni bi wo ha. Obekwa hospital you beji wa 24 hours. Ebi wo ha 3 days, 72 hours. Near they are prepare near surgery no. Omu wi anoma about 48 to maximum maybe they are serious gonna be a week to recover. Now sir, omu monitor for maybe 3, 4, 5 days. Now some who say, "Oh, you're okay. Complications beyond by." They will tell you to leave and go home. Now they can tell you to go home and be coming for review. Reviews are not every week. Reviews sometimes once in a month. Some people cry no. It depends. Surgery now, it could be once in 2 months. Now, Ken Ofori Atta surgery we free hospital. The hospital has nothing to do with his status. The hospital cannot write any report and say, this is our patient. He came to have a surgery here and that his passport is expiring or his visa is expiring. So, extend it for him. You are mad. The hospital has no power to instruct the U.S. Home Office to extend anybody's visa for them. No. Their job is to take care of you. If you want to extend your visa, if you want to work on your status, it is between you, your lawyer, and the immigration service. It is nothing now. So that conversation should not come in. The hospital, the major hospital, was supposed to extend Ken Ofori Atta's stay. What the fuck? It's a regular hospital. And their power no more. Say, I was say, say, I was Ken Ofori Atta's stay. Are you people, do you read at all? What kind of analysis is this? Now, Ghana radio so can kwasi asem, TV so can kwasi. Ken Ofori Atta is in America. His status, and as a visa no, EU, and America for say, visa ne wua, why are you here? Finito. And the Ken Ofori Atta, the Busan say, I didn't know about it. Or catch America for eyes for say, I came to do a surgery. Oh my God, surgery no why have you gone for your review? You can go home and come for the review. If you think your visa is about to expire, go to your home country, reapply, extend your visa at the years, and come back for the review. That's it. You are not supposed to stay in America and tell me, say, the hospital, no, they were supposed to extend Ken Ofori Atta's stay. No hospital in America will keep a patient there. The beds are very important. You might be one of the billionaires in the world. Odu hospital, na doctor show we near says so. Now you're okay. That bed. It does not matter the amount of money you have. You need to leave. Somebody needs that bed. So I was to because if you that is America for you. Munjai radio na motesoki kam kwasi asem. The major hospital was supposed to extend Ken Ofori Atta's stay in the hospital. Man, enough time. They have done the surgery. They have assessed him. They have reviewed him. Ken Ofori Atta nye di paboni niya anka day now muyi no. Oba fi be 2 weeks no nanko so ko Ghana ko renew the visa no oba. But because he's a fugitive, because time na other hospital no na oye fugitive. So time no na oye person of interest na Interpol list no order so. The hospital didn't want to get involved. Their job as a medical facility is to treat the patient and let the patient leave. Now the patient steps out of the hospital. It is between the patient and the immigration service. They don't have anything to do with your stay. Ken Ofori Atta ba no. Now the visa no ewu kra. The hospital will take care of Ken Ofori Atta and discharge him. Their job is to save his life. In terms of taking care of him, now every 2 weeks, no more they will discharge him. So it is not their responsibility to extend any stay at a hospital or a hotel. Is it a holding cell? The foolishness on our Ghana, on our TVs in Ghana, any radios, Mumma yenja the misinformation. It is clear. Ken Ofori Atta, he has overstayed, or his visa or his status isn't in the right state. So the ICE people are questioning him about his stay. So obviously, why are you still here? So be surgery no omunwie. Say if you think you come back for review, go back, go get a visa and come back. It is finished. Now, this is another story. I'm a say and it is about this guy. Nana Komia, Mrs. Nana Komia. He has hidden it, but he'll come out of the closet. He's still in the closet. ICE, we want our father back home, please. We want Jesus, the money box. Give us our money box. ICE, give us our money box. We want our money box back home. We need the money box. Now, Mrs. Nana Komiaso Akasa and Diana Oka. Or say NPP knew we had no chance against Mahama in 2024 elections. As some way, so ya badwimba na undi mnyansa now the NPP chia. I was saying ya or resign free NPP nim. Because anke bo utuoku senka sebio ya atake ukun 2024 elections anke Nana Komia ne Bawumia mu ne ekun tie asema Nana Komia ka say na omunim say Mahama be wini against Bawumia no omunim so be lose elections no, but what they did is they gave their people false hope. They gave them fake hope. They made them believe say Bawumia stood a chance against Mahama. And then on I can say, oh, near him say Bawumia be lose. Yen him say Bawumia on to fan on to Bahama. Eba nyansane election. Near him say Bawumia be lose. Nanso yen him say yen call for the Jiminti. Into 2024 ye bo tua anka kwasi ampenyi we kwame ku ato atwene. Ye catch them say they knew they were going to lose the elections. They knew Bawumia was going to lose miserably. They knew Bawumia was not even going to cross 35%. Men na make catch you. Bawumia 38 no nyana. They are even shocked say Bawumia 38. The NPP leadership, Mahamadu Bawumia 38% no nyana. They are still shocked to say Bawumia 38. They were looking at 33, 35. So for him to even say this today to Wuna Oya polling agent, Oya NPP grassroots sa krantie, eh? Say grassroots. NPP grassroots. Mumbai ejma, omo refer grassroots. Omo humu samu ya nkrantie. Mona mbanjiazi. Yaka say grassroots. Mote say nkrantie. Intino mo pese mo NPP grassroots no. They wanted the grassroots to go and die. Nana Komia election day not Accra. Mrs. Nana Komia na oten crying. He knew Bawumia was going to lose. But one kind of grand anchiromo. This same person was giving them false hope and telling them, we are going to win. But the most important thing is, Nana Komia can say for Bawumia about Bawumia handling the economy. Now, Mumia go tie asema Nana Komia kan. Muntie ni pa. I want to bow some kofo omusa omo Jimmy, omunyina wabodam.
Bawumia was he in charge of the economy? The macro economy. Was he in charge? Omahinuchi said Bawumia was in charge. Only had a finance minister appointed a crew of about 14 people to manage the city. It's okay. Any pay be a mukasa semi and no man a day parliament for him to demand the resignation of the finance minister because of the economy. NDC for a party who were on a move motion of censure of parliament to remove the finance minister because of the economy. It is about me in charge of the economy. I don't know this Obama finance minister. I don't know any penny be no money about me pray no. Only the MPs. See any finance minister for real time free hub because economy.
This is the problem. Very diabolic sycophants. The one we is a Tarzan. Asame no ka. Oh, was Bawumia in charge of the economy? The question of Obusa, I don't know, the microeconomy. I say, it's more person which says that Bawumia was in charge of the economy. It's Bawumia because any role are buying money there. Because at this point, Bawumia was not in charge of everything, anything. It's just Bawumia dey pan or yeah. You can say Ejuma also Bawumia was not in charge. You can say corruption, I say Bawumia knew nothing. You can say E-levy, I must say Bawumia knew nothing. You can say NAPO, Bawumia knew nothing. You can say Akufo Addo the way by. Say see no economy minister yet most Bawumia wasn't in charge. Into Bawumia because any role in there. Then oh yeah. What was Bawumia's role in the Akufo Addo administration for 8 years? Because you are telling me, I know because some refuse, me so muso omo Jimmy, omo nyina no mabodam. Now Bawumia is not in charge of anything. So then the engineer so emfankasa Bawumia betuma achechere Ghana and to lead the NPP. He needs to tell us what he did, whatever he was in charge of. Tell us what Bawumia was in charge of. Because you are telling us, say, one, Yasi Mahamadu Bawumia, or no, he wasn't in charge of the economy. You are asking us, was Bawumia in charge? From your explanation, he wasn't in charge. We get it. Cool. Mr. Akumia, Mrs. Akumia. We get it. Secondly, the same Mahamadu Bawumia said he was not in charge of the NAPO. Bawumia says he wasn't in charge of the E-levy. Bawumia says he wasn't in charge of the dollar exchange rate. He wasn't in charge. Mahamadu Bawumia said he wasn't in charge of the economic management team. He says he wasn't the leader. The same Bawumia must say he wasn't in charge of the FX committee. 80,000, Mrs. Akumia. The question here is, Mum Chede Bawumia was in charge or you better woman for assessing. Because every day, Bawumia is not in charge of anything. Every single day, Bawumia, he's not in charge of this. Okawiya, he's not in charge of it. Akwe saw the 33 policies by. Inti role ben or player no what 33 policies no. Aina muda mujunso ansana madarasa muda ansana majunso. Aina me besemi because it does not make any sense. Bawumia does not want to take credit, blame for anything. You are asking us, was Bawumia in charge of the economy? Because at a point, yet TBB for an FX committee, now Bawumia and Kahun, until he wasn't in charge of the economy. At a point, now Nkofo say, Ken Ofori Atta, yen change, until Nkofo can say, Bawumia was not in charge of anything. Yatna Mamka just say, E-levy, I had better Ghana Forson, Bawumia did not know anything about it. Same people are telling us, say dollar exchange rate, Bawumia is not the one who was managing the exchange rate until he's not in charge. So what was Bawumia in charge of? Oh, some way, Jimmy. It's about time you made the guy step up and take blame for the things he basically lied about. Until Bawumia takes blame and be shown and kicked out of Ghana politics, the NPP will never survive. You people cannot tell him in the face and say, it is because of your incompetence. We were here when Mahamadu Bawumia told us that he has logged the dollar. Wankasa Asante has logged it. Wankasa me papa Okaka Ando has logged it. Wankasa Akufo Addo has logged the dollar. Wankasa Ghana penny bi na alloc dollar no ediki no egu ni botomo or say I have logged it. Fast forward, yebedru ha na akwai pe president dia. You are telling us he wasn't responsible for anything. Now if Bawumia for 8 years wasn't responsible for anything, why should anybody hand over Ghana to Bawumia? Because then he lacks experience. Then there's no track record that we can base on to say this guy qualifies to be the president of Ghana or even to lead the NPP. Because you need to come with something in your hand. You need to prove. You need to come with a resume that is reliable enough that we can base on and say, okay, from that, with this experience, we can give you the nod to lead NPP and to lead Ghana. But for 8 years, Akwa Agyapong, Akwa a vice president, Akwa a press conference, Akwa claiming your baby. You people are still telling us he wasn't in charge of anything. So, at the end, the engineers won't find you Bawumia as a president. We are waiting for Bawumia to come out and tell us what he was in charge of as the vice president to a tortoise. Because at this point, we don't know what he was in charge of. Now, we don't know the resume. We don't know Bawumia's resume. Economy, Amusi, he wasn't in charge. Intercepted was in charge of what? Employment, he wasn't in charge. Galamsey, he wasn't in charge. For 8 years, if the guy cannot tell us what he was in charge of, then what experience does he bring on board? What does he bring? What does he bring? He also got an empty resume to Kennedy Agyapong. We want somebody with, because John Mahama Eba 2024, no, we picked his resume and told Ghanaians, Mahama was in charge of this, he was in charge of that, he was in charge of this. This one didn't go well. He took their responsibility and said, it could have been done better. I was in charge. This was done right. I'm in charge. This, John Mahama made us know. Baby also take blame, no, blame, no. Baby also say work was done perfectly. He told us. Bawumia, he's not telling us where and what he was in charge of, but he wants to lead. Lead with what? Huh? He is to lead otchere busamo. Bawumia needs to come out and tell us what in the Akufo administration 8 years now. Now, what was he in charge of? Ordinary human saying. What was Bawumia's role? Akufo Addo buying him. The role is saying from what you are saying, Anakumia say it was Bawumia in charge of the economy, and that was he in charge of the FS committee was not there. We want to ask him. Otchere campaigner, Omagana for what he was in charge of. Kennedy Agyapong ask him. Bawumia say, so 8 years he was in charge of what? In charge of. Yeah, but see who the resume.
Order for waiting and somewhere KT Kevin Taylor at the Atudra Ringina Ken Ofori Atta, former finance minister, eyes for Achero and Onakoye and Sembibri. Nanona Kelvin, a reactor wada and Sembibri Eddie. The cow says, so when you subscribe, Bomodia say over subscribe to channel. Now I like a video, my thumbs up, Nafi. Share now what for so enya biwe na wo and semdodo nara ekoso ewo Ghana memwa. Also betimi achire wadwin ewo eye comment section ho. Mobati minkabiu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.